that was worth it.
A secluded paradise.
We were not prepared for something like this.
Let's go.
I'm Vera. And this is Aldo.
Yeah!
And this is our tiny home on wheels, Toto. We have been driving around the world for the past 4 years, visiting over 50 countries on 5 continents. Witnessing with our own eyes how beautiful, but at the same time how fragile our world is. Click on the subscribe button and join our adventure.
After visiting the longest, deepest and biggest canyons in the world, the Grand Canyon, Colca Canyon, Sumidero Canyon, we are today at the canyon Gorropo, the most spectacular canyon in Europe. It's 6:30 and the day is starting very early today. We are going.
I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors. Who am I? I'm the greatest. Who am I? I'm getting paid, bitch. Who am I? I'm so flagrant. Who am I? She tastes flavors.
That's it for now. Red zone. Happy enough. We went to the Gorropo Canyon, which is one of the biggest canyons in Europe and also one of the most beautiful. The trek is about 14-15 kilometers, depending how long you're gonna go inside the gorge. Gorropo, the canyon's name, in Sardinian dialect means throat, gola, gorge. It's estimated it's about 25 million years old. There used to be a river that carved it, part of it. It's an underground river. We were really impressed by the beauty of this canyon that reminded us the landscape of Utah and Australia. The photos you see online, they really underrate this place. It took us about 2 hours to get from the car park to the entrance of the gorge. That section of the trek is free. But if you want to go further inside the gorge, and it's better you do because it's hard work to get up there, it costs €5 for a ticket or $3.50 for a kid. So at the entrance there is a little ticket booth with the person that will explain you the difficulties of the final part of the trek, which is split in 3 sections: the green, the yellow and the red. At the end of the green trek you are on the most iconic part of the gorge. It's where the walls narrow to about 4 meters, and if you look up you have a wall that is 500 meters high. It's really beautiful. If you get there you already seen most of it. If you want to push yourself a bit further, it gets a little bit more intense. With Vera we stopped halfway through, but I'm managed to continue until the red spot just because I wanted to see it. You got to go lightweight. You cannot carry many things with you there. It was quite hard, quite strenuous. But I had fun because on the way there I slipped and I found out that there was like a natural slide. So on the way back I couldn't miss enjoying a 4 or 5 second slide. It must have been about 10 meters long. That was worth it. Just for that few seconds, all of the yellow section was worth it for me. We came back to the car park at about 4:30. We had a quick bite. We had some pasta with the champignon mushroom left over from last night. And then finally came the reward. To cool down in a cold river with your sore feet, sore fingers, it's gonna be so good. Sorry, gotta go. The early bird catches the worm. It's 7 a.m. We are going to the beach. We are at Cala Gonone, one of the most famous places and touristic spots in Sardinia. We just would like to enjoy the beach with no crowd. We're gonna give it a go and see how it goes. Let's go. We wanted to go to Cala Luna, but we've heard a lot of boats coming. Yeah! So we said, instead to go to a crowded beach, why don't we find something along the way and at least we can spend a few hours by ourselves.
A secluded paradise.
Yeah, it was a bit difficult to get down here, but actually we can't complain. So now we are gonna enjoy this beautiful, marvelous, splendid, fantastic scene. We did the 4-hour trek. We wanted to go to this nice beach called Cala Luna.
It's one of the most famous in Sardinia, very touristic. We woke up at 6:30 just to arrive early there, make some videos without people. The trek was very strenuous. We were not prepared for something like this. Hopefully we found a nice secluded little beach where we could spend a few hours there.
It was good, but then we had to return, so another 2 hours in the midday sun, very tired. On the way back I think, listen, but all the people that come here, they all go to this beach. Surely all those one opposite the car park, all the other bays and everything, they must be okay because the water is the same. And so it was. We just needed to cross the road, go down the stairs, and we would have had a beautiful beach for the whole day, and we would have enjoyed 4 hours more this beautiful sea and sun and here in Sardinia. And our Totò is just up the road.